Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Tech Tricks. In this video, I will show you how to flip or rotate the screen on Windows 11 in just few easy steps. So let's get started. Firstly, go to Start menu. Here you will search for Settings, then open Settings. Now go to System, then go to Display. Scroll down. Now find Display Orientation. Here it is. Click the drop down. You will see there is four options: landscape, portrait, landscape flipped, portrait flipped. Rotate or flip the screen, choose the option you want, like I want portrait. Here you will see my screen will be instantly portrait. If you want to keep changes or revert it, you can just simply click on revert. It will also revert. And landscape flipped means upside down screen, like we will try landscape flipped also. You will see the screen is flipped automatically. Again click on revert, it will instantly revert. Some laptops or PCs have the feature that rotate the screen using keyboard shortcuts like Control Alt up arrow, Control Alt down arrow. That's it. This is how you can rotate or flip your screen on Windows 11 easily. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.